Hello ladies, welcome back to Perla Chemo Merch. If you're new here, this channel is all about helping you navigate hair loss, scalp care, and finding the best headwear to keep you comfortable and confident. Whether you're going through chemo, dealing with alopecia, or just looking for the best hair care tips, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into something ancient, powerful, and completely natural, Ayurvedic hair care practices. These traditional methods have been used for centuries to strengthen hair, prevent hair fall, and nourish the scalp. If you've ever wondered how natural herbs and oils can transform your hair health, stick around. Before we get started, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful hair care content. Now let's get into it. So, what exactly is Ayurveda? Ayurveda is an ancient Indian system of medicine that focuses on balance in your body, diet, and lifestyle. When it comes to hair, Ayurveda teaches that your hair health is directly linked to your dosha or body type. There are three main doshas. Vata. If you have dry, frizzy hair that lacks moisture, you might have a Vata imbalance. Pitta. If you're dealing with hair thinning, premature graying, or scalp irritation, Pitta imbalance could be the cause. Kapha. If your hair feels greasy, heavy, or prone to build up, Kapha may be dominant. By understanding your dosha, you can choose the right Ayurvedic remedies to bring your hair and scalp back into balance. One of the best things about Ayurvedic hair care is that it relies on natural ingredients, no harsh chemicals, just pure plant power. Here are some of the most effective Ayurvedic herbs for hair. Bringraj, known as the king of herbs for hair, it helps prevent hair fall and promotes regrowth. Amla, or Indian gooseberry, is rich in vitamin C and strengthens hair follicles, preventing premature graying. Neem is a great option for those dealing with dandruff or an itchy scalp. Brahmi helps nourish the scalp and reduce stress, which can contribute to hair loss. And fenugreek, or methi seeds, is packed with protein and nicotinic acid to promote hair growth. A simple way to use these: try an herbal hair mask. Mix amla powder, bringraj powder, and fenugreek powder with warm water or yogurt to make a paste. Apply it to your scalp, leave it on for 30 minutes, and rinse with a mild shampoo. Scalp oiling is a big part of Ayurvedic hair care. Massaging your scalp with the right oils can improve circulation, nourish hair follicles, and reduce stress. Here are some of the best Ayurvedic oils. Coconut oil deeply hydrates and strengthens hair. Sesame oil balances Pitta dosha and prevents hair thinning. Bringraj oil boosts hair growth and prevents hair fall. And castor oil thickens and strengthens weak hair. To do an Ayurvedic scalp massage, warm up a small amount of oil, apply it to your scalp, and gently massage in circular motions. Leave it on for at least an hour or even overnight for deeper nourishment before washing it out. Now let's talk about washing your hair the Ayurvedic way. Instead of using sulfate-heavy shampoos that strip your scalp, Ayurveda recommends natural cleansers, shikakai. a gentle herbal cleanser that strengthens hair. Retha, also known as soap nuts, creates a natural lather to remove dirt without drying out hair. Aloe vera gel soothes the scalp and hydrates hair. You can also try a rice water rinse or hibiscus tea rinse for extra shine and softness. Simply soak rice in water overnight, strain it, and use the water to rinse your hair after shampooing. The amino acids in rice water help strengthen and smooth the hair cuticle. Hair care isn't just about what you put on your scalp, it's also about what you put in your body. Ayurveda emphasizes a nutrient-rich diet and a balanced lifestyle for strong, healthy hair. Eat a hair-boosting diet. Include nuts, seeds, leafy greens, and protein-rich foods to nourish your hair from within. Stay hydrated. Dehydration can lead to dry, brittle hair. Practice stress management. Ayurveda teaches that stress is a major cause of hair loss. Try yoga, meditation, or even just deep breathing exercises to calm your mind. Get enough sleep. Your hair regenerates while you sleep, so aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of good rest each night. Speaking of sleep, did you know that the type of headwear you wear at night can affect your hair health? At Perla Chemo Merch, we offer premium silk sleep turbans designed to protect delicate hair, reduce friction, and keep your scalp comfortable while you rest. Whether you're going through chemo, dealing with alopecia, or just want to maintain healthy hair, our soft, breathable headwear is a must-have. Check out our collection at perlachemomerch.com to find the perfect sleep bonnet for you. Ayurvedic hair care is all about natural healing, balance, and consistency. Whether you start incorporating herbal masks, scalp massages, or a healthier diet, these small changes can make a big difference in your hair's health. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried Ayurvedic hair care? What's your favorite natural remedy? Drop a comment below and let's chat. And of course, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more hair care tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.